Hi, welcome to another tutorial about Cashflow app. In this video, we will teach you all about what other gains and costs are and how to insert them in the app with examples. Other gains and costs include all non-recurring gains and costs. At Cashflow app, they are organized into categories such as operational grants, investment grants, other gains, and other costs. For you to understand them better, we will give you an example for each category. Grants are non-repayable funds disbursed or given by one party, often a government department. In Cashflow app, we have two types of grants, the operational grant and the investment grant. First, the operational grants, which are amounts that are awarded to the company for covering operational expenses or loss of revenue. Let's imagine that your company receives a subsidy to cover costs to train employees. Let's call it training subsidy, and that it is expected to be received on a yearly basis, an amount of 5,000 euros. The second type of grant is the investment grant, which is any amount that is given to the company to cover the investment that company does in an asset. An investment of this kind of grant is the subsidy awarded for investing in a new machinery. Let's insert as an example a machinery investment grant and assume that the total value is 50,000 euros, allocated in 2020 in order to renew equipment. The next field is the other gains. Here we can enter earnings that are not caused by the activity of the company. As an example, let's insert the sale of a company property in 2023 for a value of 300,000 euros. This is not an operational gain because this property was an asset of the company and not an item of sale. And lastly, let's insert an other cost item. Assuming that our company committed an infringement and has suffered a fine in the value of 20,000 euros in 2019, this is another cost and not an operating expense because it is a cost that is not related to the regular operation of the company and certainly would not be needed for production. And that's all for today. Feel free to contact us if you have any doubt about Cashflow app. Don't miss our next video tutorial, and thank you for watching.